Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the Healypedia eHandbook platform. Now, before you begin, if you are an Apple user, if you have a MacBook or iPad, please do not use the Safari because it is not compatible. You're supposed to use the Google Chrome. But if your device is Android, it does not matter. So open the Chrome. I'm using the MacBook here. So open the Chrome and go to aihealy.ai. Then click on this link and it will bring you to the login site. Alternatively, you can go straight to this link here and log in from here. So you will type in your email and then key in your password. You can stay connected if you do not want to log in every time you want to use it, and then you will sign in. So once you sign in, it will bring you to this particular page here where you will see a selection. So according to what you have purchased, you will see likely one or two boxes. So here I'm going to open the eHandbook and show you how to navigate from here. Now you will see the menu on the left-hand side. So over here, choose the language of the ebook that you want to read. And then there is another frame or window here where you can see all the books. So there is an arrow here to the left. And then over here, an arrow to the right. So you can just click on this to select the book that you wish to open and read. So now I'm going to select the manifest. So I'm going to click on this book. Now don't wait. Nothing is going to happen until you tap on this white box here and it will start to download the book. Okay, so now when it's sharp like this, you know that the download is completed. Now the tendency is to enlarge using your fingers on the screen if you're using an iPad or phone, right? So no, you're not supposed to do that because the system will reset and it will bring you back. It will close the file and bring you back. So therefore, you see here on the magnifying glass, there's a plus sign indicating that you can use the zoom function. So you can tap and then it will maximize automatically to fill up the entire frame here. So you can see that there is an inner window of frame here. So it will maximize it so that it fills up this frame. All right. Okay. So if you find that the text here is too small for your liking, the other way to further enlarge, you can do this. You go to the top right-hand corner over here, the three dots. So if you press on these three dots, there is a zoom function over here for you to further enlarge. So I'm going to click on the here, enlarge 125 or 150. All right. So 150 for my computer is quite nice and comfortable. All right. So now there are two frames here. Okay. So this is to move up. Now, when you see this, sometimes if you place, there are two frames here. Now, if you put your arrow over here, when you try to move, you'll find that it's the book that move and not the external thing. So let's say you want to lift this all the way up to here, you can't do it. So you have to put the cursor or the arrow on the outside frame, or you go to the side and then you move the frame up, all the way up. All right. Then after that, you move this to the inner frame of the book so that then you can actually control the book. Okay. So now you see the text is very big, very easy to read, and very comfortable for the eyes. So you can scroll down, okay, all the way at the speed that you want. Okay, now you see here on this top right-hand corner here, there's an X. This X here is for you to close the book after you have finished reading. Okay, so if you want to find the menu, you scroll up. If you want to reduce this, go back to the three dot and bring this back to about 110 or 100%, and you will be back here. Okay, so if you wish to change the language of the system, it's not the language of the book, language of the system is here under EN. So this is the language selection to Chinese or to any other languages that is available here. So this will change the system. Okay, for example, if I choose Chinese, so all the systemic language will change. So here it changed to Chinese, but the books remains unchanged. All right, so that is not to change the language of the book. If you want to change the language of the book, okay, it would be here at the menu. All right, so this is how you change it. Okay. All right. Now, if you want to change your password, go to your personal profile here and change the password and any other settings that you want to. When you finish reading, you will just sign out. Now, if you want to return to the selection earlier, so you can click on the course here and it will bring you back to the two selection here. For example, from the ebook, you want to switch to the AI or to look at the other resources. Okay, so when you have finished, what you will do is you will click on the icon here and you can just sign out. All right, so it's very easy. Thank you for watching.